All right, so now we're ready to export our circuit board and make sure that it looks good on a manufacturer website. So the way we actually export is called a plot. And we want to make sure all the things we're using, so FC, BC, front paste, back paste, front silk screen, back silk screen, front masks, back mask, edge cuts. Yeah, and we're not using anything else in here, so it's fine. We also need to generate drill files that will put all the holes we need, so we're going to hit generate drill files. And we're going to pick a folder, and we're going to put it here. We're going to make a new folder called output. So we're going to select folder, hit OK, generate drills, generate map file, close. Then we're going to hit plot. It's going to generate stuff and hit close. Now, if we go to our file explorer, I go to documents, KiCad, projects, basic, or 2 LED flashlight, and in my output, I have all these things. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to go to output and we're going to highlight all the parts, right click, send to compressed zip folder. And we're just going to call it flashlight. So this is important because these all contain one file for our website to handle it. So now I'm going to go over to my web browser and go to JLC PCB. They're a really good, cheap circuit board site. I had really good luck with them. So we're going to click instant quote. We're going to hit instant quote. And first thing we're going to do is hit add Gerber file. And we're going to go to our projects, to LED flashlight, output, and grab the flashlight. That's it. Hit OK. And if we do this right, we should see a picture of our circuit board. So that looks really good. You can see our traces, not very much. You see our holes. You can see our silk screen. We can go to Gerber viewer. We'll do that later. Instant quote. We upload it. And now we can change our settings. Now, in general, we should keep our settings kind of reasonable. Changing some of the materials will make it much more expensive. So going to multiple layers, we only use 2 layers, so we don't have those. Dimensions are set by how big it is. If we want, we can get to 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters for the default price. If we needed that to be more, if we wanted to get more of these, we'd have to design it so there's multiple copies of this on there, and I can show you how to do that in a later video. I'm going to get 5 of these, but anyway, it's a consumer electronics. There's only one design. It's a single PCB, and the thickness is the default. And then if I want to pick different colors, I can pick different colors. I can make it yellow, I can make it blue, I can make it white, I can make it black. I can change the silk screen color, possibly. It looks like the silk screen is white by default. I can pick, I can change these, but in general, we're going to leave those the same. Everything's there. And to get this would be $2. That is a special, typically be $4 or $5, and then pricing. We can also get stencils and stuff like that, so for pieces, but this is all through hole. There's no reason to get those, so this is a simple flashlight. We're not going to actually order this flashlight because we're going to do something a little more complicated. But in the next video, we will start talking about some of the extra details I didn't cover earlier, and we'll start talking about what our actual project is going to be.